Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Taurus. And today we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck for your moon sign, guys. So you can watch that, guys, that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Seven of Spheres in reverse, Justice and Seven of Moons. So in your circumstances today, Taurus, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is someone who follows the rules, goes by the book. So whatever beliefs you have, you go by that. And you are someone who respects others' ideas and views. The same way you never give up your vision or your ideas on particular thing. So you are someone who is truly fair to the people you are with, maybe in your life, in your personal life or in your work situation. A very balanced person. So you handle your circumstances respecting the people, maybe you respect their ideas, but what you do is based on what you truly believe in. So your beliefs and ideas you may have. But today, guys, for some of you, though you are someone handling your situation well, doing things with clarity, certain things are not going right. So maybe in this relationship, things are not what they seem to be. Maybe there may be some difficulty, something is not working out, maybe something unexpected may happen, some arguments or some stressful circumstances maybe, and this person is accusing you of something, and they are you are really worried about the way things are going in this relationship. Maybe you believed this person, you trusted them, and you just thought that they love you just like the way you love them. But the way this person is, what they are speaking or what they are telling you is something entirely different, and you feel that it was your own foolishness or it was your own thoughts or that dreams that has, it was all your dreams or your thoughts that has led you away from the truth, guys. So their truthful intentions are something different, something you never expected, and it may even look like illusion on your part, illusion, and you don't know where things are going with this person. So some kind of misunderstanding may be there in this relationship, guys. But if you can hold on, Taurus, there are something unexpected happening, but if you can just hold on, wait for some time, you are going to see changes. So these circumstances are not going to last forever. So the same way in your career situation, guys, Taurus, you are going to see huge changes. So things will fall into place, guys, for you all. Whatever was happening are going to change if you can just hold on, wait for the right time, wait for the right opportunity. You are going to taste success very soon, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So for your moon energies today, Taurus, so we have full moon in Taurus. So with this card, it just means that if you want to be really successful, you need to be practical. So you must jot down the things you need to do, maybe the steps to reach your goals or dreams, whatever it is. And you must go towards your goals, guys. Make it work. Do it. Try to do it. So, whatever needs to be done practically, all your efforts, whatever is needed, you must be up for it. And if you are truly positive, if you have good positive intentions, those intentions are surely going to take you towards success, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this first card. It says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is what to say, something you have not revealed, maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or what to say, some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you, guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way, and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart. And whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out. Justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, Loyal Heart. So This card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding. Mutual love, respect, and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other. And this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust. And you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love, and trust for each other, uh, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So, just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So, you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person and you both love each other and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.